Welcome to our video on IT infrastructure management. Here, we delve into the essentials and best practices of managing IT infrastructure. But first, let's define what IT infrastructure is. It encompasses all the physical and virtual resources that support the flow, storage, processing, and analysis of data. Effective management of this infrastructure is crucial. It ensures operational efficiency, supports agility, security, and scalability within an organization. Whether you're an IT professional, a system administrator, or simply passionate about technology, mastering these fundamentals is key. As we journey through this video, you'll gain valuable insights into the intricate world of IT infrastructure management. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of your IT systems. Welcome to the foundation of IT infrastructure management. In this segment, we explore the essential components that form the backbone of IT infrastructure. At the heart of it all lies hardware, the physical machines and devices that power our digital world. From servers to storage devices, hardware is the bedrock upon which all else is built. Complementing this is software, the collection of programs and operating systems that instruct the hardware. It's the invisible force that brings the hardware to life, transforming raw power into purposeful action. Next, we have networks, the intricate webs that connect devices, enabling communication and data exchange. Whether wired or wireless, networks ensure that information flows seamlessly across different systems and locations. Data centers, massive facilities that house critical IT infrastructure and data, are the nerve centers of modern IT operations, where data is stored, processed, and managed. Each of these components, hardware, software, networks, and data centers, plays a crucial role in the overall IT infrastructure. Understanding how they interact and support one another is key to effective IT infrastructure management. As we move forward, you'll see how these components integrate to form a cohesive system, setting the stage for the subsequent discussions on the roles and challenges in IT infrastructure management. It's the synergy of these elements that drives the efficiency and functionality of an IT ecosystem. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the critical role of IT infrastructure management in our next segment. Effective IT infrastructure management is the backbone of modern business operations. It ensures that your systems run efficiently, preventing downtime and maximizing productivity. Security is another crucial aspect, safeguarding your sensitive data and protecting against cyber threats. Reliable IT infrastructure management supports the day-to-day activities that drive your business forward. From handling routine maintenance to addressing emergencies, well-managed infrastructure lays a robust foundation for your company. It integrates seamlessly with your business processes, ensuring everything operates smoothly. As we move forward, let's delve deeper into the specific challenges that IT infrastructure management faces and how addressing these challenges can transform your business operations. Managing IT infrastructure is no small feat. Among the most pressing challenges are scalability issues, security threats, and cost management. Scalability can be a double-edged sword. While it's vital for growth, it often leads to system overloads. Security threats loom large, with potential breaches posing risks to sensitive data and overall system integrity. And let's not forget cost management. Balancing the budget while ensuring optimal performance is a constant balancing act. These challenges are not just technical hurdles, they have far-reaching implications affecting business continuity and overall productivity. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward effective IT infrastructure management. Whether it's mitigating risks, optimizing costs, or ensuring systems can scale efficiently, being aware of these common issues prepares you for the complexities ahead. As we delve deeper, next we'll explore best practices to tackle these challenges head-on. To navigate the complexities of IT infrastructure management effectively, adhering to best practices is crucial. Regular updates are fundamental. They not only enhance system performance, but also fortify security, ensuring that your infrastructure remains robust against evolving threats. Proactive monitoring is another pillar. By continuously observing your systems, you can detect issues before they escalate, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operations. This foresight allows for swift intervention, minimizing downtime and maintaining operational efficiency. Lastly, disaster recovery planning is indispensable. It's not just about reacting to disruptions, but about having a well-structured plan in place that guarantees business continuity. This involves developing comprehensive backup strategies and detailed recovery procedures, ensuring that your organization can quickly bounce back from any unforeseen events. By embracing these best practices, regular updates, proactive monitoring, and thorough disaster recovery planning, you can tackle the challenges inherent in IT infrastructure management head-on. These principles form the backbone of a resilient, efficient, and secure IT environment. As we move forward, you'll see how each of these practices can be implemented in greater detail, empowering you to optimize your IT infrastructure management and drive success in your organization. In the fast-paced realm of IT infrastructure management, keeping systems updated is not just a best practice, it's a necessity. Regular updates are crucial for several reasons. They apply essential security patches, safeguarding your systems against vulnerabilities and cyber threats. Neglecting these updates can leave your infrastructure exposed to attacks. Software upgrades come next, introducing new features and enhancements that boost productivity and user experience. Staying current with software ensures compatibility with other tools and systems, streamlining your operations. Lastly, system performance is directly tied to routine updates. Over time, software developers optimize code to run more efficiently, capitalize on new hardware capabilities, and fix bugs. These improvements can lead to significantly better performance, reducing downtime and increasing reliability. By routinely updating your systems, you not only protect against security risks, but also ensure your infrastructure runs smoothly and efficiently. As we move forward, you'll see how proactive monitoring plays a pivotal role in maintaining system health and performance. To ensure your IT systems run smoothly, proactive monitoring techniques are essential. This involves real-time monitoring, where the continuous surveillance of systems is maintained to detect any issues before they escalate. Automated alerts play a crucial role here, notifying administrators immediately when predefined thresholds are crossed. These alerts can prevent minor problems from turning into major disruptions. Additionally, tracking performance metrics helps in understanding and optimizing system performance, ensuring that all components are functioning at their best. By leveraging these techniques, you can maintain the health and efficiency of your IT infrastructure. As we move forward, you'll see how disaster recovery planning ensures business continuity in times of crisis. In the realm of IT infrastructure management, disaster recovery planning is a fundamental aspect that cannot be overlooked. Ensuring business continuity in the face of unforeseen disasters requires a well-thought-out plan involving robust backup strategies and effective recovery procedures. First, developing comprehensive backup strategies is critical. Regular and automated backups ensure that your data remains secure and easily recoverable. Next, having detailed recovery procedures in place minimizes downtime and ensures that systems can be restored swiftly with minimal disruption. Equally important are protocols to ensure business continuity. This involves clear communication plans, assigning roles, and maintaining redundant systems that can take over during a failure. Each of these components plays a vital role in preparing an organization to bounce back from disruptions, protecting essential operations and data integrity. As we move forward, you'll see how focusing on security management can further fortify your IT infrastructure, safeguarding it against emerging threats. Stay tuned for insights on key strategies to bolster security within your IT framework. Ensuring the security of IT infrastructure is a multifaceted challenge that requires precise and proactive measures. Threat detection is the frontline defense. It involves identifying and responding to potential security incidents before they can cause harm. Implementing robust access control is equally critical. By regulating who can access what resources, we safeguard sensitive information and prevent unauthorized entry. Data protection is the third pillar, focusing on encrypting sensitive data and ensuring its safe storage and transfer to thwart cyber threats. In sum, security management isn't just about responding to threats. It's about preemptively protecting assets and maintaining the integrity of the entire IT infrastructure. Effective security management combines threat detection, access control, and data protection strategies, forming a comprehensive approach that IT professionals cannot overlook. As we progress, we'll explore scalability strategies that further bolster the robustness of your IT framework. In our journey through IT infrastructure management, understanding scalability is crucial. There are three main strategies: horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, and leveraging cloud solutions. Horizontal scaling involves adding more machines or nodes to handle increased demand. This is akin to expanding the width of a road to accommodate more traffic. With horizontal scaling, you can distribute the load across multiple systems, ensuring responsiveness. On the other hand, vertical scaling focuses on enhancing the capacity of a single machine. Imagine upgrading a car engine to boost performance. Vertical scaling requires fewer changes to the existing architecture, but has limitations due to hardware constraints. Lastly, cloud solutions offer flexibility and efficiency in scalability. By utilizing cloud services, businesses can quickly adapt to changing demands without significant upfront investments. The cloud provides a scalable environment that can grow with your needs without the physical constraints of traditional hardware. Adopting these strategies ensures your IT infrastructure remains robust and responsive. As we move forward, you'll see how cost management plays a pivotal role in sustaining a scalable IT environment. Now, let's delve into a crucial aspect of IT infrastructure management: cost management. Effective cost management is multifaceted, starting with thorough budget planning. This involves forecasting expenses and setting clear financial goals. Next, we have resource allocation, where we strategically distribute available resources to maximize efficiency and avoid wastage. Finally, cost optimization techniques come into play, ensuring that every dollar spent contributes to the organization's objectives. This approach not only helps in reducing unnecessary expenses, but also enhances overall performance. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles are applied in real-world scenarios, ensuring sustainable IT infrastructure management. Let's delve into the case study of a company that successfully managed its IT infrastructure. First, let's get to know the company. This organization, deeply rooted in innovative solutions, faced considerable challenges with their IT infrastructure. The first major hurdle was scalability. As their business grew, so did the demand on their IT systems. This rapid expansion put immense pressure on their hardware and software resources, often leading to system slowdowns and occasional downtimes. Additionally, security was another critical challenge. The company experienced several cyber threats that exposed vulnerabilities within their IT framework, making data protection a top priority. Managing costs became an escalating concern. Balancing budget constraints with the need for advanced technology and skilled personnel required meticulous planning and resource allocation. To address these challenges, the company implemented a series of strategic solutions. They invested in scalable cloud solutions to efficiently manage their expanding data needs and mitigate the limitations of their existing infrastructure. To enhance security, they adopted comprehensive threat detection systems and fortified their access control measures. These steps significantly reduced the risk of potential breaches and ensured a secure operational environment. In terms of cost management, the company employed cost optimization techniques and refined their budget planning processes. This allowed them to allocate resources more effectively, ensuring both technological advancements and financial stability. The results were transformative. System efficiency improved dramatically, leading to higher productivity and reduced downtime. Security breaches became a rare occurrence, and the overall operational costs markedly decreased, showcasing a well-managed IT infrastructure. As we move forward, you'll see how these solutions can be adapted to various organizational needs and overcome similar challenges. Understanding these practical applications can help guide your own IT infrastructure management strategies moving ahead. As we look towards the future of IT infrastructure management, several emerging trends promise to revolutionize the field. Foremost among these are AI and automation, poised to enhance operational efficiency and reduce human errors dramatically. Embracing AI, IT managers will find themselves equipped with powerful tools to automate repetitive tasks and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. Another pivotal trend is edge computing. As more devices connect to the Internet of Things, processing data closer to the source, rather than relying on centralized cloud servers becomes crucial. This decentralized approach reduces latency, improves performance, and offers a scalable solution for handling large-scale data. In addition to AI and edge computing, advancements in cybersecurity continue to evolve, responding to increasingly sophisticated threats. Enhanced security measures, innovative encryption techniques, and proactive threat detection systems will be indispensable in safeguarding sensitive information. These trends signify exciting shifts in IT infrastructure management, blending cutting-edge technology with strategic foresight. As you integrate these approaches, your systems will not only be more resilient, but also effectively positioned for future demands. Stay tuned as we explore the essential tools and technologies for managing IT infrastructure in our next segment. To successfully manage modern IT infrastructure, leveraging the right tools and technologies is crucial. Monitoring tools help keep a vigilant eye on system performance, ensuring that any issues are quickly detected and resolved. Management software offers an integrated solution to oversee various aspects of the infrastructure. From network management to software updates, these tools are essential for maintaining a smooth operation. Cloud services further enhance IT infrastructure management. They provide scalable resources, improve system reliability, and enable flexible resource allocation, adapting to the ever-changing demands of businesses. Together, these tools and technologies empower IT professionals to manage infrastructure effectively and efficiently. As we conclude this discussion on essential tools and technologies, stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll delve into the importance of training and certification for IT professionals. In the fast-paced world of IT, continuous professional development is not just beneficial, it's essential. Training and certification programs play a pivotal role in ensuring IT professionals stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies. Courses designed to hone specific skills enable individuals to tackle emerging challenges with confidence and expertise. Certification, on the other hand, serves as a formal validation of one's knowledge and skills, boosting credibility and career prospects. In an industry that evolves rapidly, ongoing training helps bridge the gap between current knowledge and new innovations. Whether it's mastering a new software platform or understanding advanced network protocols, these programs are integral to maintaining excellence in IT infrastructure management. So, as we move forward, remember that investing in your skills today will pave the way for a successful career tomorrow. Next, we'll summarize the key takeaways from our journey through IT infrastructure management. To summarize, we've explored the essentials and best practices of IT infrastructure management, from understanding key components like hardware, software, and network systems to addressing the challenges of scalability, security threats, and cost management. Each aspect plays a crucial role. We've delved into proactive monitoring, disaster recovery planning, and effective security management, all aimed at ensuring optimal performance and business continuity. As we wrap up, remember that effective IT infrastructure management is vital for the success of any organization. By implementing the strategies covered, you'll not only enhance system efficiency, but also support your business operations robustly. Stay tuned for our final call to action, encouraging you to apply these best practices and stay connected with us for more insights. As we conclude our journey through IT infrastructure management, we encourage you to apply these best practices in your own work. By implementing what you've learned, you'll contribute to a more efficient and secure IT environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn for more updates and informative content. Staying connected ensures you never miss out on the latest trends, techniques, and expert insights. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your continuous journey to IT excellence.